You won't believe it why windshield washer pump failed on this 2010 Nissan Titan. Beautiful truck, everything works, but no windshield washer. Cannot drive like that, it's dangerous, especially winter time. Yeah. In a few seconds I will show you what was the cause for the windshield washer pump to fail. Yeah, knowing the cause is most important for any repair. Here's a windshield washer pump. Well, if you're first time to the channel, please subscribe. Very appreciated that. And let's get started. Windshield washer reservoir is ready to come out. There's two 8mm bolts, one over here and another one right over there on the side holding the tank. And let's pull the tank out. Here we go. Beautiful, nice and easy. Tank is removed. Now I'm going to connect our line. There we go. Nice fluid. Look at that. It's crazy. No, we don't have any foam. And as you can see, we have tons of fir needles, some pine needles, some, what is that? Yeah, some tree flowers. Yeah, some dirt, debris. I'm going to pull the pump out, wash the tank. Let's remove the pump. As you can see, there's a rubber grommet. Let's just pry it straight up like that. Boom, there we go. It's a good idea to replace the grommet if you have a new one with the pump. To prevent this issue from happening in the future, just pay attention what's getting inside the windshield washer tank and make sure it won't happen soon. We have to wash the tank. Tank is clean. Here's the Amazon special windshield washer pump, right? Only $12. Yeah, nothing's fancy. I'm going to use it. Guys, if this video is helpful, informational, educational, interesting to watch, put a thumbs up. Appreciated that. And it came with a new rubber grommet. Here's a pump. Yeah, it will work. We're going to install a new pump. Right, in a second you will see the final result. Everything's installed. Let's check how it works. Turn the key to the on position and spray. Okay. Oh, nice. Here we go. Now we're talking. Beautiful. Yeah, windshield washer is working how it should. A little bit of debris getting inside the windshield washer pump was enough for electrical DC motor to fail. Yeah, appreciated your time watching this video. Take care everybody, and we'll see you soon. Bye bye.